How to sound more natural in English conversations. Hey everyone! Do you ever feel like your English sounds too formal or unnatural? Well, today, I'll teach you 5 simple tricks to sound more natural in conversations. Let's go! Tip 1. Use contractions. Native speakers rarely say full forms like I am bored, do not. Instead, they use contractions, I'm, or don't. Examples, I am tired. Becomes, I'm tired. Do not worry. Becomes, don't worry. She will come. Becomes, she'll come. Tip 2. Use filler words, but not too much. Filler words help your speech flow more naturally, just like in real conversations. Examples, well, I think we should go now. Let me check. You know, that's a good idea. But don't overuse them, or you'll sound unsure. Tip 3. Use short and simple sentences. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Native speakers often speak in short phrases. Examples, sounds good. Instead of, that is a very good idea. I'll do it later. Instead of, I am going to do it at a later time. Let's go. Instead of, we should now proceed to leave. Keep it short and simple. Tip 4. Speak with rhythm and intonation. Don't speak like a robot. Use natural rhythm and intonation. Examples, really? That's amazing. Excited tone. I don't know about that. Thoughtful tone. What? You're kidding. Surprised tone. Listen to native speakers and copy their rhythm. Tip 5. Use common expressions and phrases. Native speakers use lots of common expressions. Learn them to sound more natural. Examples, no worries. Instead of, it's okay. That makes sense. Instead of, I understand. What's up? Instead of, how are you? Use expressions like these in daily conversations. Which tip do you like the most? Comment below and try using it in a sentence. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more fun English tips. See you in the next video.